Hi, I'm Becky.
And I'm Mark.
And we're from MCC. And today we are going to introduce you to our absolutely favourite product. It is our hero product, it's our bestseller, and it is our wonderful Warrior Balm. Warrior Balm is a fantastically soft balm that just melts into your skin. It is particularly helpful in dealing with the pain that is associated with fibromyalgia, arthritis, rheumatism, joint pains, period pains. You can even use it for toothache by applying it on the outside of your face. We've got customers that use it for heartburn by just rubbing it down towards their tummy. You can use it for headaches, for carpal tunnel, RSI, backache. The uses are absolutely endless. It will deal with any type of pain. Because it is a natural product, you can apply this as often as required. There's no clock watching involved. So what's in Warrior Balm that makes it so unique? Let me just run through the ingredients with you. So the first one is wintergreen essential oil. Wintergreen essential oil is known for dealing with nerve pain, gout, arthritis, period pains, and rheumatism. We've got eucalyptus in there, and eucalyptus is really good at getting in there and dealing with muscle pains, and it helps with spasms as well. It's an antispasmodic oil. We've got clove in there as well, and clove essential oil, you hear the old wives' tales about using it for toothache, but do you know what? It actually really works because it's got a substance in it which is called eugenol, and that helps numb the pain, and it's also an anti-inflammatory as well. We've got juniper berry in there, and juniper berry is really good at relieving stress and tension, and is the essential oil that's in Warrior Balm that does help you if you do struggle with heartburn as well. And then the last essential oil in there is peppermint, and peppermint is a really lovely essential oil with so many uses. It really helps muscle and joint pain. It again helps deal with spasms, and it has been associated with fibromyalgia studies. They have actually done studies into it and found that it has been effective in managing fibromyalgia pain. Again, it's really effective with headaches, and it also helps prevent itchiness as well. And if you do struggle with fibromyalgia, then you will know of the fibro itch that we do get from time to time. It's going to help combat that for you too. There are two other ingredients that are in there as well. I'm going to hand over to Mark so he can tell you just a little bit about those as well.
Just another quick word about eugenol as well. It's an absolutely fantastic free radical scavenger. It'll mop those things up. So, as you probably know, free radicals are involved in all kinds of nasty goings on inside your body. So antioxidants mop those up, and eugenol is absolutely fantastic at that. It's even used in chemistry to stop reactions involving free radicals. So it's an interesting little fact about eugenol. What else is in there? We've got magnesium. The form it's in is magnesium chloride, so it dissolves into your body a lot better. It's much more bioavailable than, say, the oxide, and magnesium is involved in a lot of your nerve processes, the channels where your nerves fire at the end and all that kind of thing. Magnesium is highly involved in all that, and a lot of people are actually very magnesium deficient and don't know it. So it's one of the reasons that that's in the balm as well. Another kind of secret ingredient, although it's not a secret, is Dmso, which means that it gets to the pain a lot better. What it does, it takes your essential oils and whatnot through the skin, and so it can get to work deep inside the body and get to work a lot faster than a lot of the other so-called balms out there that just act topically. They just sit on the surface and they just mask the pain rather than combating it.
They're a bit like a distraction to the pain, really, aren't they, as opposed to actually dealing with it.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
And they don't actually attack the pain itself. They just sort of mask it for a while. So it's available in 3 sizes.
This is medium size. This is a 60ml size, but I just wanted to show you what a lovely, beautiful, soft balm it is. And it does just melt into your skin.
There's the other two. We've got what we kind of call the trial size, which is a 30ml. And then there's the Beast, a whopping great 180ml.
And that is our best seller.
Yeah, that's the top of the list, that one, isn't it?
Yeah, most definitely. Most people start off with a trial one, the little 30ml one, and then jump straight on to the 180ml once they realise the fantastic relief and comfort they get by applying Warrior Balm. As well as the 3 different sizes that we have in Warrior Balm, it also comes in 2 other forms as well. Now, we recommend that you use these in conjunction with the balm. They're not to replace them, they're really to complement them, aren't they? And we have our Warrior Balm bath sherbets. If you like a nice soak in the bath, these will really help relax that pain away for you. And our Warrior Balm shower suds as well, so you can get the same effect when you're in the shower. Handy hint, if you do struggle with headaches an awful lot, you can actually use this in replacement of your shampoo, and it will help with your headaches as well. If you don't have a bath and you still want to get relief with the bath sherbets, you can pop them in a foot spa or even in a washing up bowl and sit and soak your feet.
I've actually done that myself.
Yeah, you do that quite often, don't you? Because you do struggle with your feet. So that's another way that you can use the bath sherbets as well and get the comfort that they bring too. Warrior Balm has a best friend as well, which we're going to mention briefly, but we will talk more about this in a separate video. That is a Muscle Magic. So you can use the 2 in conjunction with each other and just apply them 20 minutes apart for maximum relief. Mark's just going to explain a little bit about applying Warrior Balm.
Yeah, so you'd apply the balm, just some on your finger, rub it to the source of the pain, or as near as you can get it to it. But one of the best things to use on top of that then is to get some heat on it, which will help the essential oils diffuse into your body as well and help everything else soak in. So a good way of doing that is to get like a wheat bag, nice and hot, get it on the where you've applied it to. And one of the other good things we think we could use is the little heat what do you call it, a pad.
Reusable ones where they have like the chemical.
Snap and it heats up. It's for the hand warmer really, but they do get quite hot, so one of those would be great to put on top of the Warrior Balm as well.
But a hot water bottle, wheat bag, electric
like
chrome,
yeah.
anything like that. You can even pop your Warrior Balm on 10 minutes before you go and have a really nice hot shower, which I do quite often, don't I? And that really helps as well. So that's Warrior Balm. That's our hero product. It's definitely our bestseller. If you are new to MCC and looking for a good place to start in dealing with your fibromyalgia, this is definitely one that you need to have in your arsenal. Our beautiful, gorgeous Warrior Balm. It's available on our website, www.motorbikers.cc, and we hope that you really enjoy using it and you get as much comfort from it as I do.
Like all our products, it's very concentrated and it's quite powerful. So if you go for the big one, it will last you quite a while.
A little goes a very long way. It is a natural product as well, so it is sensitive to temperature. It needs to be kept somewhere cool and dark to keep it in its optimum state. If it is kept somewhere warm, it will melt down and liquefy. You can still use it, but it just won't go as far. And you may see that some of the magnesium may come out of it, but it's absolutely fine. You can still use it. But to keep it in its optimum health, then it really needs to be kept in a cool, dark place.
It's actually designed to melt at body temperature. So as soon as you apply it to your warm skin, it'll melt straight away. So that's you need to keep it cooler than skin temperature, basically.
Yeah. But that's Warrior Balm. So we hope you're enjoying these videos, and we will be back very soon with the next one. So take care, guys, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.
See you soon.